So to replace your lug nuts on your wheels on a Maverick, you use this brand, that part number, and that's about half the cost of what it costs from Ford for their branded wheel locks, which are from this company, I believe. They just put the Ford logo and part number on it. All right, let's go ahead and pull one of these out. As well as the locking device. But they're stupid simple to install. Literally just remove and replace. And then just tighten her back down. There you go. So now I'm just going to do the other 3 wheels, and then I'll torque it down to the proper spec and meet you guys at the end of the video. All 4 of those are out. Might as well just leave them in the package, put these in a safe spot. Here's the lock. Goats are making a ton of noise. And just put this in your glove box for whenever you get your tires rotated. There's that one. There's that one. The other 2 are on the other side. So I'm just going to torque them down to the proper torque spec, and that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more money-saving tips.